Imagine this, you wake up, check your phone, and boom, your YouTube channel just made over $1,500 overnight while you're sleeping. Sounds unreal. Well, thousands of creators are already adding 3,000 to 4,000 extra per month to their income doing exactly this with YouTube automation. And today, I will show you how. Step 1, pick a winning niche. If you want to win big, you need the right niche. Here are 5 of the most profitable YouTube niches. Step 2, the content creation shortcut. Here's why most people fail. They don't know how to make the videos, writing scripts, editing footage, adding voiceovers. It sounds like a full-time job. But what if I told you you don't have to do any of that? Just simply Google Fiverr.com and hire talented freelancers on this website to handle everything for you, like script writing, video creation, editing, and thumbnails. Step 3, AI voiceovers with Fiverr Go. If you hate recording with your own voice, no problem. With Fiverr Go, you can get realistic AI-generated voiceovers in any accent or language, without ever needing to speak a word. Head over to Fiverr.com, sign up and search for faceless YouTube experts, and among the given results, you can hire the best freelancers for your YouTube channel to do the required work. You can use my code DANCANTECH for 10% off your first hire. The link is in my bio. Don't wait and start building your passive income channel now.